If you're managing blood sugar concerns and you come across Hemavex Gluco Capsules promising natural support for healthy glucose levels, it's worth slowing down before adding anything new to your routine. Because this is a category where getting it wrong carries real consequences. Blood sugar supplements like this one are everywhere right now, often built around similar sounding ingredient lists: cinnamon extract, chromium, berberine, or various plant extracts, packaged under dozens of different brand names that rotate through online marketplaces. Hemavex fits that pattern closely enough that I wasn't able to find anything distinguishing about its formula, ownership, or manufacturing that separates it from the crowded field of similarly branded products. I also couldn't verify independent customer experiences, third-party lab testing, or clinical research tied specifically to this product, which means the claims on its packaging are currently unconfirmed from where I'm sitting. That matters more here than it would for, say, a skincare cream, because glucose management affects people with diabetes or prediabetes, who may be tempted to use a supplement like this alongside or instead of medical treatment. No dietary supplement, regardless of its ingredient list, is a substitute for prescribed medication or medical monitoring, and any product implying otherwise should be treated with real caution. On the business side, I'd want to know the same things I'd ask of any supplement in this space before buying. Is there a subscription hidden in the checkout flow? What does the refund policy actually say in writing? And does the seller provide a real company name and address rather than just a storefront? I can't confidently call Hemavex Gluco Capsules a scam, since I don't have evidence of fraud, but I also don't have enough to recommend it as a trustworthy glucose support option. If you're dealing with blood sugar issues, the more responsible move is a conversation with your doctor before your wallet, and treating a product like this as, at best, a minor addition rather than a solution.